tonight on Monday Night Raw, live on Sci-Fi. Wow. Hello again, everybody. Michael Cole and Jerry the King Lawler in ringside. We are less than 2 weeks away from Unforgiven, 2 weeks away from the unique Championship Scramble.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the General Manager of Raw, Mike Adamle.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you please, would you turn your attention to the Titantron and take a look at some footage from SummerSlam. Batista one-on-one with John Cena.
It is indeed the biggest blockbuster of the summer. The ultimate showdown. John Cena versus Batista. The first time ever. John Cena maybe in the driver's seat. Cena got in mind here. He's flying.
As a result of those Batista-Bombs, John Cena suffered a severely herniated disc in his neck. John tried to fight through the injury, but an MRI revealed the extent of the damage, and it's much worse than everybody thought. Doctors now believe that he will require surgery and will be out indefinitely, which obviously means that he will not be able to compete in the championship scramble at Unforgiven. But I promise to name a worthwhile replacement before this night is over. Thank you very much.
Wow. Well, that's certainly something we don't wish to see happen to anybody, especially John Cena. We want to send our best wishes out to John and hope for a speedy recovery.
Well, nonetheless, ladies and gentlemen, though, it's going to be a huge opportunity now at Unforgiven in the championship scramble for someone else. Someone's sitting back in that locker room right now, and by the end of tonight, they may have an opportunity. 2 weeks from last night at Unforgiven is the championship scramble for the World Heavyweight Championship. You see the rules right there, including the 20-minute time limit to the matchup. We can practically guarantee there will be a new champion. We learned earlier tonight that John Cena, due to injury, will not be involved in this matchup, but General Manager Adamle will name his replacement later on, live on Raw. Standing by now, Todd Grisham with one of the participants in the Scramble match. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we understand from the General Manager's office the major announcement is next. John Cena is out indefinitely with an injury. Who replaces him in the Unforgiven Championship Scramble match? General Manager Adamle expected to tell us live next. Raw's live tonight for the Poconos, sold out in the Wachovia Center, Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania. Meanwhile, out in Denver, the Democratic National Convention is underway. WWE stars are in Denver signing up young people to vote. Our presence being felt, all part of Smack Down Your Vote. Oh, We are back live here on Monday Night Raw, and here comes the general manager. Big announcement concerning the championship scramble.
Earlier tonight, I had mentioned that I would name a top-notch replacement for John Cena in the championship scramble at Unforgiven. And I have. He himself, a former world heavyweight champion. His name, Rey Mysterio.
Wow! Whoa! Rey Mysterio! The high-flying, astounding Mysterio. I'll tell you, that is one heck of a replacement. Mysterio now the 5th member of the championship scramble at Unforgiven. Can you believe it?
Wow, I'm in shock. You know, judging from everything we had heard from Kane as of late, I thought maybe we'd seen the last of Rey Mysterio, but now he'll be at Unforgiven.
Well, what's Rey Mysterio's mindset going to be in that championship matchup, and what is Kane going to be thinking about all this?
Oh, I don't know, but I just can't wait for Unforgiven to see Rey Mysterio again.
Unforgiven, 2 weeks from yesterday in Cleveland, Ohio, and we're not having the only championship scramble match. There's one on SmackDown as well.
Oh, you're right. Triple H taking on Jeff Hardy and Shelton Benjamin and MVP and Brian Kendrick.
And under these rules, we can practically guarantee a new champion at Unforgiven.
And what about this? And then the Raw Scramble match. CM Punk, Batista, JBL, Kane, and now Rey Mysterio.
Rey Mysterio. I tell you, he adds something different to the equation. The high flyer, the quickness of Mysterio. And CM Punk, how can he hang on to that world title?
Well, you said it before.